One important tip is to be patient with your dough. Good bread takes time, and rushing the process can affect the final result. Trust the process, follow the steps carefully, and remember that every mistake is a lesson that helps you become better. So I'm cutting my chicken. As you can see, I don't have a chicken breast, so a whole chicken, then I cut to remove the breast from it. So this is how it's curry powder, salt. So I'm boiling it. So after the water, I will throw it away. I will not use it. We just want to flake the chicken. I'm doing this so that it will be fast and boiled. This is vinegar. I'm coming to make the bread. I have 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. This is milk, liquid milk. Half cup. I'm adding half cup of milk powder, including the liquid butter. So I'll be mixing them together here. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of sugar. I'm adding 1 egg. This is salt, vanilla essence to smell good. Yeah. You can, if you have nutmeg, you can also add. I'm adding vinegar because of the egg. I added 1 egg. Yeah. I'm adding 2 cups of flour. I'm adding oil. You see how the bread is so soft. My dough now. I will let it cool for 1 hour. So I'm flaking the chicken now. The water is even finished from the chicken. I wanted to throw the water away, but the water is already finished. So let me, because the chicken is so hard. Yeah. So this is my onion. I'm adding olive oil. So this is onion, olive oil, and ketchup. This is the flaked chicken. That's my. So I'm adding milk. Adding mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. Another 1 teaspoon of cream cheese. Cream 1 teaspoon, cheese 1 teaspoon. I'm adding a little flour. Remember, cooking and baking are skills that improve with practice. Don't worry if your first chicken bread isn't perfect. Every attempt teaches you something new and brings you closer to becoming a better cook. Stay patient, follow the steps, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you started with me up to here, thank you so much and God bless you. I want to encourage you to never be afraid to try new recipes. Cooking is not about being perfect. It's about learning, improving, and enjoying the process. Yeah, whether you are making chicken bread for the first time or you've made it many times before, keep believing in yourself. Small effort in the kitchen can lead to amazing results. So today we are going to create something, as we are still creating something soft flavorful chicken bread that your family and friends will love. Watch till ending so that you can try some for your family. Yeah, thank you so much. If you are here, God bless you. As I am rolling the dough and adding the chicken filling, I want to remind you that good things takes time and patience. Just like this bread comes together step by step, our goals in life are achieved one step at a time. So don't give up when things seems difficult. Every small effort you make today is building something better for tomorrow. Stay consistent, keep learning, and trust your journey. Success doesn't happen overnight, it grows little by little, just like this beautiful chicken bread. Keep believing in yourself, keep moving forward, and remember that every achievement starts with a simple step. You are capable of more than you think. Now let's finish filling and rolling this chicken bread and see the delicious results of our hard work. So you can see we have filling. Rescue the perishing, care for the dying, snatch them in pity from sin and the grave. Weep all the everyone, lift up the fallen, tell them of Jesus the mighty to save. Rescue the perishing, care for the dying. Jesus is merciful, Jesus will save. The name is Bidana Walker Doings. We are still rolling our bread. As I shape this bread, I reminded that life is shaped by the choices we make every day. Just as a little patience and care can turn simple ingredients into something beautiful, small consistent effort can turn our dreams into reality. Don't give up on yourself. Keep going, keep learning, and keep believing. Your progress may be slow, but every step forward matters. The future belongs to those who stay determined. Even when the journey is challenging, keep shaping your goals, and one day you'll be proud of what you have created. The name is Bidana Walker Doings. So the top with the chicken, the olives and cheese. Yeah, then you roll it. Any shape you want it, you can shape it. Just like this bread is taking shape, your future is taking shape too. Stay patient, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Remember that every great achievement starts small. Keep working toward your goals, start patient, and trust the process. Your hard work today can become your success tomorrow. When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died, my riches gain I can't but loss, and pour content on all my pride. Hark, my soul, angelic songs are swelling, all earth green fields and oceans wave be sure. How sweet the truth those blessed things are telling of that new life when sin shall be no more. Angels, angels of Jesus, angels of... And that's our delicious homemade chicken bread ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Remember, success comes from patience, practice, and never giving up. Keep believing in yourself, keep learning new things, and keep moving forward one step at a time. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for me. Delicious homemade recipes. Take care, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking to you, oh my beautiful people. Success is like bread. It rises with patience, grows with effort, and becomes rewarding when you don't give up.
So this is the end of our doings.
And there we have it. Our beautiful homemade chicken bread is ready. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I hope you enjoy baking along with me. Thank you for spending part of your day in my kitchen. Wishing you joy, good food, and wonderful moments with your loved ones. Take care, stay happy, and I